When we call a species invasive, we mean that humans have introduced it to an area it is not native to, either deliberately or by accident. Like when rats hitch a ride on a ship from Europe to North America, or like when James Corden gets cast in the film adaptation of your favorite musical. The plants or animals then spread at a rapid pace. When invasive species are especially harmful, they are able to outcompete indigenous species because they have no natural predators in their new environment, as per the enemy release hypothesis, and because their prey have no natural defenses against them. Until modern times, the importance of stopping the spread of invasive species was largely ignored, mainly because nobody thought to consider the consequences they could have, but also to a lesser extent because sometimes invasive species just look super rad. Take, for example, the lionfish. Even though its red stripes and venomous spines look cool as fuck, lionfish from the Indian Ocean prey on fish in the Caribbean at a rate more than 2 times higher than native predators, decreasing the overall diversity of these reef communities and negatively impacting the human fishing industry. This problem doesn't just exist in faraway places like the Caribbean and Hollywood. We can also find various invasive plant and animal species right here in our own backyard in Washington, D.C. So what can we do to help stop the spread? Well, just like any other thing that you would like to keep from going around somewhere, like norovirus at a dining hall, for example, the best first step is prevention. So don't go out and buy a pet that you can't take care of and then release it into the wilderness. And when traveling, try to make sure you don't have any unwanted hitchhikers. But if the plants and animals are out there already, what can we do? It helps to learn what non-native species are causing problems where you live and what they look like, and you can do this by accessing the USDA's National Invasive Species Information Center website. Then, if you see them somewhere while you're out and about, you can submit a photo of your find to a phone app like iNaturalist to confirm that it's invasive and to alert the relevant authorities of a sighting. Then, if it's safe to do so, you can eliminate the organism from the ecosystem. If you see something, slay something.